Guys, welcome back to Thorncrest Ford. It's Joe Puticani here from the sales department, bringing you our 2021 Ford Bronco Big Bend two-door, powered by a 2.3-liter four-cylinder turbocharged engine, giving about 29 liters per 100 kilometers on a combined fuel efficiency. Bronco styling, badging that is very timeless and classic. Big Bronco in the front, big circle headlights, also with the exposed tow hooks with the steel bumper. Okay, coming on the side, 17-inch gray alloy wheels with some all-terrain tires, Big Bend badging on the side, big mirrors with active blind spot assistance. Okay, keyless entry, keyless remote, also included, as you can see, sport bucket seats, detachable roof, big LCD screen with navigation, heated seats, heated steering wheel, cruise control features, all here, and different drive modes available, activating the 4x4 feature. Good thing about this Bronco, it is very durable. With only 24,000 kilometers on it, this keeps on going. Okay, let's go to the back. Again, very durable, has a dual storage system with the glass and etc. here. Comes with the floor liners. Pre-owned, great value, trailer hitch, another exposed tow hook. Where do you find this? With the backup sensors. Thorncrest Ford. Joe Puticani. Talk to you soon.